What's up guys? We are in Baler, Philippines. We have been traveling for 6 hours now. Just got to the place where we're gonna have breakfast. So we're gonna eat some breakfast and then head to like the resort area and yeah. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed these next couple vlogs in Baler.
I don't think there's more than we can do. How come you think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain.
So if you guys don't remember Tito Ron's from the Sagada trip, we are together again, and so with him we're able to partner together, and this is a surfing trip, mainly a surfing tour trip. What's cool about Barefoot Travels, for whoever is in the Philippines and is looking for a nice travel agency, he sends each person an itinerary of what the trip is going to contain, what you should look out for, and what you should bring, what to expect, and specific times of when you go and do things during the day. So they set that all out for you, and so everything in the Sagada trip was all planned by him and Barefoot Travels. So that's why I really enjoyed traveling with Tito Rons, and now I'm here in Baler with him. So it's a real great experience. So we are currently stopped at Ermita Hill. Ermita Hill, wow. There was a flood way back a couple hundred years ago, and there was this family, the Ermita family, that was able to climb this hill here, and they survived the flood, and that was the only family to survive in Baler. We have this view. I don't know if you guys are able to hear me because it's kind of windy, but it's been so long since I've been to an ocean, and dude, this is sick. These are all rocks. I don't even... You see the people standing on them? That's dope.